Good morning, students. Welcome to Digital Learning. I am Manisha Kalra, Maths teacher at Bright Scholar Senior Secondary School. We were doing chapter 1 of Maths of class 6. Today's topic is units of measurement. You have already done these units in your previous class. Still, we are going to have a revision of it. First is units of length. In this table, you can see all the units of length as millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. All these are units of length which we use according to our need. Millimeter is the smallest unit and kilometer is the largest unit. When we move from right to left, from one unit to the next, that is from a smaller unit to the next bigger unit, it becomes 10 times bigger. And when we move from left to the right, that is from a bigger unit to the next smaller unit, it becomes 10 times smaller. Depending upon these relations, we convert the units from one to another as we need. Also, the basic unit of measuring length is meter. Now we move on to the conversion of units. First of all, we see the conversion of units of length. I am taking the commonly used units, that is millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. You know the relationship between centimeter and millimeter. That is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So if I have to convert centimeter to millimeter, I will have to convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit. So I will have to multiply with 10. And in the same way, if I have to convert a millimeter to a centimeter, I have to move from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. So I will have to divide by 10. In the same way, the relation between meter and centimeter is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So moving from meter to centimeter, I will have to multiply, and from centimeter to meter, I will have to divide. And the relationship between kilometer and meter is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So same way, when I move from kilometer to meter, I will have to multiply by 1000, and moving from meter to kilometer, I will have to divide by 1000. This same method is applied when I have to convert the units of weight, that is kilogram, gram, centigram and milligram, as well as when I have to convert units of capacity, that is kiloliters, liters, centiliters and milliliters. Also, the basic unit of measuring mass is gram and the basic unit of measuring capacity is liters. Now we come to exercise 1.3. First question, convert the following as directed. 175 kilometer into meters. In this we have to convert kilometer into meter, that is bigger unit to smaller unit. So we need to multiply. And what is the relation between kilometer and meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we need to multiply with 1000. So 175 kilometer is equal to 175 multiplied by 1000 meters, that is 175,000 meters. Second part, 28 kg 500 grams into grams. In this, the question comprises of kg as well as gram, but we need to convert only kilogram to grams. Grams we have not to touch. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. It means we have to multiply 28 kg with 1000. So it becomes 28 into 1000 plus 500 grams which are already in the question. So it becomes 28,000 plus 500 grams and the answer is 28,500 grams. Moving on to the next question. It is 38,975 milliliters into liters. Now in this question, we have to convert milliliters to liters. That is a smaller unit to a bigger unit. So instead of multiplying, we need to divide. So what is the relation between milliliter and liters? It is 1 milliliter is equal to 1 upon 1000 liters, because we are dividing here. So 38,975 milliliter becomes 38,975 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 liters, and the answer becomes 38.975 liters. Question number 4 is also converting a larger to a smaller unit, 10 liters, 375 milliliters into milliliters, and I hope that you can do this question yourself as we have done the earlier parts, and you have done these type of questions in your previous class also. Now moving on to the next question of the exercise, it is a notebook contains 192 pages. Find the number of pages 200 such notebooks contain. So in the question we are given the number of pages in one notebook, and we have to find the number of pages of 200 notebooks. So when we move from one to many, we have to multiply. So the operation which you are going to use in this question is of multiplication. Solution: number of pages in one notebook is equal to 192. Number of pages in 200 notebooks is equal to 192 multiplied by 200, and the answer becomes 38,400 pages. It is very important that you write hence at the last. So hence there are 38,400 pages in 200 such notebooks. The next question is, a cloth merchant sells a certain type of cloth at the rate of rupees 69 per meter. Find the cost of 25 meters of this cloth. This is the same type of question as we have done in question number 2. So this is your homework and you will do it yourself. Next question is, a fruit seller sells mangoes at the rate of rupees 60 per kg and bananas at the rate of rupees 24 per dozen. Find the total amount he gains by selling 25 kg of mangoes and 12 dozen of bananas. So first we will have to find the cost of all the mangoes, that is 25 kg mangoes. Cost of 1 kg mango is rupees 60, and so cost of 25 kg mangoes is rupees 60 multiplied by 25, that is rupees 1500. Now we will have to find the cost of all bananas. So cost of 1 dozen bananas is rupees 24. Cost of 12 dozen bananas is equal to rupees 24 multiplied by 12, that is rupees 288. At last we will have to find the total cost of both the fruits. So total cost of both is equal to rupees 1500 plus rupees 288, and it comes out to be rupees 1788. Hence the total money gained by the fruit seller is rupees 1788. The next question is, a matchbox contains 56 matchsticks. A packet of matchbox contains 12 matchboxes. Find the total number of matchsticks in the packet. In this question, you have to find the number of matchsticks in 12 boxes, as there are 12 boxes in one packet and you have to find the number of matchsticks in one packet. So this is also the same type of question and you will do it yourself. Next is, a machine manufactures 1250 bolts in one day. Find the number of bolts manufactured by the machine in February 2012, when the factory was closed for 4 Sundays. In this question, first of all, you will have to find the number of days in February 2012. How you will find the days in February 2012? Yes, by seeing that was it a leap year or not. In a leap year, February has 29 days. And if it is not a leap year, February has 28 days. So, after finding the number of days in February 2012, you will subtract 4 Sundays because the factory was closed for 4 Sundays. And then with the help of multiplication, you will find the answer, how many bolts were manufactured in February 2012. So this question is also a homework for you. Now we come to the next question, that is the last question of today. It is, a water pump pumps out 4,500 liters of water in 1 hour. If it works for 8 hours, find the amount of water it pumps out in a week. Now in this question we have been given that the water the pumps is 4500 liter for 1 hour when it pumps, but it is asked for 1 week. So we have to first calculate the number of hours it works in a week. So working hours in a day is 8 and working hours in a week is 8 into 7, that is 7 days of the week. It is 8 sevens are 56. Now we have to calculate the water it pumps out in 56 hours instead of a week. So amount of water pumped in 1 hour is 4500 liter and amount of water pumped in 56 hours is 4500 multiplied by 56 liters, and that is equal to 2,52,000 liters. At last we'll write hence the machine pumps out 2,52,000 liters water in a week. So this is all we have to do for today. We'll meet in the next video. Stay safe. Goodbye.